Aloha groomers, Tyler and Smokey here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you a little bit about what oil does for your blades. As always, can't say this enough. So here's a blade that a groomer obviously does not like to oil very much. You can see the red burnt on dog dander all around it. So that is just the blade getting so hot and then the dander getting burnt to it, probably using cool lube as well. You could also see right here that shiny part, that's the blade drive hitting the blade from a bent socket most likely, which will cause the blade to heat up even more. So those are a couple things I have to address when I sharpen and put this blade back together. Just remember to oil your blades, just oil! And this won't happen. And so now these rails are a little indented, so I have to take more life off this blade than normal. So if you just oil, everything's gonna last longer. Blade, the drive, the clipper. So just remember to oil your blades, groomers. Bye.